welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. As you read by the title, we are doing a Spina Bifida awareness, and this is the Ryker's Journey collab. Now this is a collab for Ryker, which is Beth's grandson. Beth is also known as Mama Vape's Beauty. I will link her channel down below. Ryker is 3 years old. He is a twin brother of Carter. He also has another sibling. I have a little fly in here somewhere. He also has a sibling who is Mackenzie, who is his 8-year-old sister. In my description box, there will be his Facebook link for Ryker's story. He is walking much better now without the use of his crutches or his walker. So in doing this collab, we are doing a look with 3 colors that were sent to us. We purchased them through Sandra, who owns Classy Cake Cosmetics on IG. I will also try to put that link down in the description box also. So in that, we are also getting to try a new formula. I've been wanting to try Classy Cakes Cosmetics for a while, so it kind of works hand in hand. There are 3 colors. There is the yellow, there is a purple, and then there is an orange. Hence why I have all 3 colors on in lieu of, or I have all 3 colors to represent all 3 colors of the eye look. So in this, she did send me a cute little sticker, which will definitely go on my 5 drawers over there. And then she sent me 2 of her cards. One I will keep, and then one I will put in town. But these are the colors. There is a yellow, there's a purple, and then there is an orange. Now the yellow, this is called Ryker's Journey. The orange one is Carter's Craft. And then the purple is Mackenzie's Mystical Magic. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going to do. I have not played with them. I got them yesterday. So I haven't had the chance to play with them. And I'm going to go yellow, orange, purple. They do look pretty in the pan. I know that she makes all of her own eyeshadows. So there are those 3 colors. And then there are those 3 colors swatched. So I'm super excited to try them out. Like I said, I've not tried this brand. It was not mandatory to use these colors, but we were given a choice to order them for this collab. So thank you, Sandra. And I get to try your formula finally, so I'm super excited about that. So let me get some brushes and put down a base. I am going to use an eye primer. I'm going to use the P. Louise primer base, the base in Rumor 2 as per. I also brought out my Jeffree Star Halloween mirror because 'tis the season. So I absolutely love Beth to death. I think she is such a sweetheart. And when she put this collab together, I couldn't help but say yes. Not only for her grandson, but upon saying yes to this, I did some research on it, and I am in no way a doctor. I did do 21 years in healthcare, and anything I'm going to speak of in this video, you can find yourself on Google online. So, I'm not a doctor, but you can find out the same information just like I did. So, we got that down. I'm going to talk a little bit, and then I'm going to do some eye work too. So, Spina Bifida was considered a pediatric illness. It is a birth defect in which a developing baby's spinal cord fails to develop or close properly while in the womb. I'm going to take the yellow Ryker's Journey, and we're going to start with that. It is rare, fewer than 200,000 cases per year in the U.S., so it does pick up well on the brush. Treatment can help, but this is a disease that cannot be cured. It's chronic. It can last for years or be lifelong. The yellow is not as vibrant as I thought it was going to be. We're going to try to build it up. It can cause problems later in life, such as urine and kidney problems. Usually results in renal failure, which is a horrible way to go. But it does happen later on in life. That seems to be a problem that persists. There are 4 types of Spina Bifida. I found 3. I will try to insert a picture. I will have a few pictures in throughout here. There is the Okada, which is the mildest and most common form. The other ones, I wrote out how to say them, but we're not even going to try that because I'm not going to get it right. So we're just going to, you can look it up. You can try to say them. The oldest person living with Spina Bifida is 90. And he is from Belgium. He was born March 13th, 1923. It is an estimated of 166,000 individuals with Spina Bifida live in the USA. I'm going to take my finger and try that. Spina Bifida is more common among white and Hispanics, and females tend to be affected more than males. Not having enough folic acid, which is also known as vitamin B9, during pregnancy is one of the most important factors that can increase your chances of having a child with Spina Bifida. It's best prevented by taking folic acid every day. It's also said that folic acid may reduce the risk of Down syndrome by 70%. Okay, so building it up with my finger is doing a lot better. It's a very, very pretty color. I don't feel like it's coming across as well as it needs to on camera. I will try to zoom that in when I'm done with the look so that you can really see. I will say it does have some fallout. But it is a powder. I think they all have fallout. I don't get the thing with the fallout. I just don't. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the orange color, and it was, what was that? Carter's Craft, which is for Ryker's brother Carter, who is also 3 years old. So back to do what you're told by your doctor when you're pregnant. You know, be seen, do your checkups. Catching something early may be prevented, or you can at least learn how to live your new life should it be a little different. You know, you never know what's going to happen, and some things can be prevented. And if it can't, you know, get the tools early enough to where it's not a life-changing all the way through event. It's already going to be a life-changing event. We know that. When it's life-changing, it's life-changing. But if you can learn how to deal with something that is found early, it's that much better. In this collab, please do check out all the people that I've talked about, all the other channels, Ryker's Facebook page. I'll try to link all the links in my description box. They are very pretty colors. I do think that they perform better with your finger. And that's just my personal opinion. That is how they have been performing for me. Yeah. Take a little bit more of that yellow. I do think it changed colors with the primer. This side looks a little bit darker there than this side. So maybe I didn't let it dry enough. But there is that. And I'm going to take the Mystical Magic from Mackenzie. I am going to put that under my lash line. that's very pretty too. Put that under the lash line. And then I think I'm just going to tap a little bit right in the center. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if it goes, but it's pretty. We're gonna go with it. Try a little bit of setting spray. Doesn't really want to move now. We're gonna go with it. So there's that. I'm going to pause, do some eyeliner, some mascara, and some lips, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here is my final look. I think it came out very cute. I know I did get the purple stuck a little bit, but trial and error. I mean, nobody's perfect. It's okay. I still think it came out very good. Beth, thank you for inviting me to this awesome collab. I learned so much. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hope Ryker, Carter, and Mackenzie enjoyed all the looks. Ryker, keep up all the hard work. You've come so far. You should be very proud of yourself. I'm sure everybody around you is proud of you. Carter and Mackenzie, keep being there for your brother. Always be there for your brother. And that's a wrap, y'all. That is my look for this collab. I really did learn a few things in it. If you know somebody who's pregnant, please make sure that they are taking their folic acid. If you know somebody with Spina Bifida, learn more. You never know their journey. Do go check out everybody like I asked. And until the next time, guys, that's it. Love you. Bye.